So hello everyone, welcome to African Note Food. I hope everybody is well. Today for lunch we are making waakye. We are making waakye without leaves. So we are using bicarbonate of soda to do our waakye. So if you want to see how we do our waakye, please stay tuned. You see all these nice stuff that go with waakye. Yes, stay tuned and we're going to see how we do it. We're washing the beans. Here we soak it overnight. Okay, so we're going to wash it now. So now the beans are washed, I'm going to add water into it. All right, I'm going to add about 1 liter of water into it because I'm not going to add any more water into it, just 1 liter that I'm going to use. All right. And I'm also going to use bicarbonate of soda. 1 teaspoon of it in there, okay? Because this waakye does not have leaves or anything. We're not using waakye leaves whatsoever. So this is it. We're going to cover this and leave it to cook for about 20 minutes to 25 minutes. So I'm adding salt now. The beans is ready, as you can see. Look at that, proper fluffy. It's done. Okay, so now we're adding the salt. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt into the beans, and now I'm going to add also my rice that's washed already. So I'm using jasmine rice for that. Okay, it's going in there. So I have about 4 cups of rice. Okay, it's going in there. Now I'm going to add also my chopped onions. I have 1 medium-sized onion and a small piece of red onion. It was a leftover, so I'm adding that as well. And also going to add my coconut oil, that much in there. Okay, and mix it together. Oh, it smells nice. It smells beautiful. Okay, so we're going to cover this and leave it to cook for about 20 minutes and we'll be ready. So it has been 10 minutes now, so I'm just turn the rice and show you how it looks like. All right, okay. All right, so this is our rice. Stir a bit. Okay, so we're going to cover this and leave it to cook for another 15 minutes and then it will be ready. Okay, look at that. Our waakye is done. Look at this. Beautiful, nice and fluffy. Oh wow, look at this. Look at this. It smells good. It tastes nice. Oh wow. So this is our waakye. The waakye is done. It's finished. So we're going to have this for lunch. And for this recipe, if you don't have the leaves, we did this one for the people that don't have leaves where they live, they can't find it. So you can use the bicarbonate of soda to do it, and it tastes nice. It gives you a nice texture. The color also is nice. It's not red, but it's okay. It's all right. Okay, so hope that was helpful to you, and we'll see you soon. Please like, share, and subscribe, and have a blessed day.